Hi, I'm going to make a program in MakeCode for Circuit Playground Express that lets you enter a code using the A and B buttons and then plays a fanfare. To do this, we need to create some variables. One will be the code that you're expected to enter. And we'll give that a value of an empty string. Now, this doesn't look like an empty string. It looks like a space, but it actually is an empty string. And then we need another variable. We'll see if I can just do this in JavaScript. So there's code, and then another variable is what you've pressed. So this will hold, for example, A, B, A, if that's what you press. Okay, then on input, when you have a click of button A, what we want to do is something like pressed plus equals A. And then the same thing for B, the B button, but with a B here. And it turns into some interesting code when I go to blocks and back. It does this kind of strange, unnecessary bit at the beginning, but it adds B or A to what's pressed. And then we can test to see if they're equal, if what's been pressed is equal to the code. And in the code, I want that to be something like A, B, A. Okay, so that's what we need to press. We need to press A, B, A to have that recognized. Okay, now we just need a function that will play the fanfare. So we'll say fanfare if code is correct. And I don't know why everything just moved. Okay, and then we want to call that from the button A and button B presses. So here, put that here, duplicate that, put it here. And then what are we going to do in here? I'm going to just write this in JavaScript. I think it'll be quicker. So I'm going to say, and this is actually TypeScript. So I'm going to say if what's been pressed equals the code, then we'll do something. Play some music or flash the lights. So we'll do the lights. We'll show some animation, and then we'll play in music some sound. And I don't want the volume to be too loud, so I'm going to throw in a set volume here. Okay, so we start out with our code set to the value of the code, and when we press an A key, we add an A to what's been pressed. When we press the B key, we add a B to what's been pressed. Each time we press, we check and see if the code we've entered so far matches the code that's expected. And let's try it out. There it goes. Good. And just we'll take a look one more time at the JavaScript here. And there we go. See you next time.